In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite not launching on PC Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show you multiple methods that you can follow to make sure that Fortnite works on a Windows 11 computer. If you are having trouble running the game, the first thing that I recommend is to go into the Epic Games Store launcher and go to your library. This method that I'm going to show here as the first method is by far the best one to ensure that Fortnite works on any Windows 11 machine. Right-click Fortnite and go into the Manage option. In here, you will find two relevant settings. First is Auto Update. Make sure this is enabled. By enabling Auto Update, you are going to make it so every time you launch the Epic Games Store, Fortnite is going to detect any possible updates and get it going right away. By keeping updates ready to go, you will be able to launch Fortnite without any issues. So with this out of the way, ensure that you don't have any pending updates, and afterwards you can verify the files. What this does is it is going to scan the installation folder for Fortnite, and it's going to run through all of the files, verifying if they were installed properly. If you are missing any files, or it detects any corrupted files on your Fortnite installation, it is going to install them back. You will notice that for me, there was no issue there with the files, so I'm ready to run Fortnite if I wanted to. But if you have any missing files or corrupted files that are critical for the game to run, there will be a warning and you will be able to update the game or reacquire those files, and you will be ready to run Fortnite on your Windows 11 computer. Now, if this still didn't fix your issue, some of the other things that you can try is to update your graphics driver. I have an AMD graphics card or GPU, so what I can do is right click on the desktop and go into the AMD software. If you have another model of GPU, for example from NVIDIA, you can visit their website or download GeForce Experience, where you can find the option to update the drivers. By keeping your graphics drivers up to date, you are going to ensure that not only Fortnite works, but all other applications or games that require intensive use of the GPU are going to work flawlessly. After you update the graphics driver, the last thing that I would recommend checking is to go into the Windows security options, go into Firewall and Network Protection, and then Allow an app through Firewall. In here, you will find two relevant settings. You have to find Fortnite itself and make sure that it is allowed to go through, Epic Games Launcher, and finally, Easy Anti-Cheat. By enabling all of those to go through, you are going to ensure that all of them work flawlessly. So if, for example, you are trying to run Fortnite and it doesn't go through, it could be because the Easy Anti-Cheat software is being blocked by the Windows firewall or even any other antivirus software that you have installed. It's very important that you allow both Fortnite, the Epic Games Store, and Easy Anti-Cheat to work without any restrictions from the firewall or any sort of antivirus software that you might have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite and why it's not launching on PC on a Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.